Hello Rosetta fam, welcome back to Crypto Rosetta. Joe here, just chilling this evening in Dubai airport. Reason I'm here is because I'm going to meet IK. He is currently in the air at the moment, so he's going to be back out here with us in Dubai, which is great. Now I hope everyone's had a good day. I've certainly had a long day, so apologies for not being in the Discord and in the trading zone as much today. We'll be back in there more regularly tomorrow. But the market hasn't really done a great deal today, so if it's picked a good day for us to not do a lot, that's helped us out. And it's interesting because the DXY and index markets have certainly been on the move today. DXY time of recording is now 106.20. Now, as I keep mentioning in previous videos, still waiting to see that consolidation above 105.50. That is still too early to call. I'm really looking to see if we get a weekly close, make it 11 green weeks potentially on the DXY this week. But still early days, and we still got a few days before we get that weekly close, but continuing to look really bullish at the minute. Now we've seen a pullback on stocks. Seems like the stock market is potentially pricing in or getting a bit fearful that the Fed is not going to pause rate hikes this year, and there is potentially going to be at least one, if not two more rate hikes this year. So that's kind of what I fully expected. We're also seeing the 10-year yields continuing to climb. Now they've been in a multi-decade downtrend. That downtrend is now over. The 10-year yield is breaking to the upside, and I don't necessarily think that's bad for crypto. The 10-year yield going up is bad for the stock market, and potentially suggesting that the stock market is going to pull back. And it doesn't mean that there's definitely going to be a crash that comes, but it does slightly increase the chances, in my opinion. But the reason I say it's not bad for crypto is because if that 10-year yield continues to climb, then historically investors will look to assets of higher risk the higher that the 10-year yield gets. So that could be potentially bullish for crypto in the long term, but short and medium term it won't have any effect. I still see the markets going down. Everything's playing out still as I expect, even though altcoins and Bitcoin are having a bit of a pause today and yesterday. A couple of altcoins are still continuing on decent runs. Maker DAO is one that's really interesting today, again setting a new high off its current double bottom bear market low. So that's one that's looking a bit more bullish than most. It's got decent structure. I'm not going to say that the low is definitely in for Maker. I do think it's possible that it can go lower, but it's certainly one that looks stronger, and it may be one that some people are considering dollar cost averaging into if it gets a pullback. But I wouldn't buy it here, considering it's nearly 3x off the bottom now. So not a good buy at the moment, in my opinion. So Bitcoin time recording 26,200. It feels like we're just talking about the same prices day on day, but just hang in there, guys. That's all I'm going to say. We know the market goes into these little boring phases in terms of price action. It may not be boring in terms of what's actually going on outside of the price action, but we'll get onto that in a moment. But yeah, price action, it's a bit flat at the minute, but just if you're in positions, as long as you're not paying too much on the funding rates, as long as you just got to hold. That's all I'm doing at the moment. And if you continue into dollar cost average at these levels, then that's great as well, if that's your strategy. But yeah, I'm just holding new trades. Didn't take any new positions today. Like I said, I was out about on the road and had to go to Oman. I've come back now, obviously, because I'm in the airport in Dubai. And yeah, I didn't take any new positions because I was on the charts today, but I didn't really see anything, or it doesn't really look like missed any great opportunities at the minute. Link added a little bit to that link short this morning, but again, not a great deal happening. Got the higher bids. If they get filled, great. If they don't get filled, not a problem. Just expecting us to grind down, and we'll start to take some profits if that plays out on Chainlink for us. So let's get on to it about what the madness is going on outside of the price action, outside of the charts. You guys know that CryptoX is just full of everything, all the drama that's going on with BitBoy, Ben Armstrong. Obviously, I woke up to that this morning. To be honest, it's maybe it has an effect on the price action. Maybe there's it has a little effect, or maybe it's just a big coincidence that the market is just flat while all this drama is going on. But I just think it's just I'm not saying it's like a really bad look for crypto, but it's not a good look for crypto. And I just see an individual there that I don't personally know, doesn't personally know me. Is obviously a big person, a big character in the space, but I just see a person there that I feel a bit sorry for. And the reason I say feel sorry for is I don't feel sorry for how they're acting or the decisions they're making. But what I would say is that I think that's somebody that needs help, and that's why I feel a bit sorry for that individual. So not nice to see, but yeah, I think he needs help. But unfortunately, the way I read it is, at best guess, I don't think that's going to happen. I think things could potentially get worse in terms of the drama there. But a lot of people are talking about it just being to be expected in the bear market drama. A lot of people refer to it as a form of capitulation, if you like. The prices are going down, or people are mentally stuck in the bear market for too long. Maybe they just start acting really irrational. I don't know. I think it's just irrational characters anyway. I don't think these are fully rational characters them in bullish times. But at least why the price action's not doing anything for some people, it's providing them some entertainment. It's not a great deal of entertainment for me, really. I get my entertainment in other ways. But yeah, just be careful of all the noise that's going on there. That's all I'll say. Don't have anything like that put you off crypto. Remember why you're in crypto for yourself. Don't worry about the picture that other people are painting of crypto, or who have big influence on crypto at the moment. You just stick to your plan, guys. You're investing in your future, hopefully, and I really do hope that everyone does well. Again, we've got a fantastic Discord community. It's free to join. The link's in the description below, and I really do recommend that everyone join that, because I always say we can always learn something from someone else in the community or in the space every day. That is a fact. So yeah, keeping this a sweet one, guys. Rest of the week, let's just see if we get a pullback. It wouldn't surprise me if I go to sleep tonight and then Bitcoin reacts a bit after seeing the Nasdaq's currently 1.5% down at the moment. Similar with the S&P, similar with the Dow Jones. So Bitcoin yet not getting a huge amount of volume, but it won't take much. Any bit of news here, which could come tomorrow, could come the day after, I think is going to force the market makers to either drive the price up or drive the price down. I'm expecting it to go down. I still see it as a major resistance is in that 31k to 38k, but strong resistance is still going to be around about 28,200 at the minute. Have talked about 28,200 breaks, then yeah, I think we're going to go probably up to another rejection of 30 to 31k range. That's my expectation, but we're not there yet. But primary, still looking for 23k, guys, still hanging in there, still building into shorts, still not getting too carried away with margin, but stacking rather those stable coins. Cash is king at the moment. If you want to give yourself a great opportunity to win £10,000 worth of crypto, which if you hodl could be an amazing prize in the future, go to cryptcomps.com. It also really helps support the channel, guys. So get yourself a ticket. I'd love someone in the community or in the Discord community, or maybe you're just watching this video for the first time and you could get a ticket and be someone who wins. What a great story that would be. So go get your tickets at cryptcomps.com for that. And yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed the content, smash the like. I really do appreciate it. If anyone's new here, go back and watch previous videos, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, select notifications, and yeah, I hope you enjoy all the crypto content that we're going to have coming out daily. Have a good night, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully be back on the charts.